have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, thank you so much for keep returning to my channel, watching my videos. I really do appreciate that. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Just go ahead and look below this video and just click on the subscribe button and you will become a part of the Precious family. Hey, thank you guys for tuning in today to watch this video. So each time you stop by my channel, I want to have you something new that you can look at, just relax and enjoy. As always, you know I appreciate you guys for continually supporting me. Now on my channel, you are going to find a little bit of home decor, DIY, shop with me, clean with me, decorating on a budget, and anything pertaining to real estate. So let's jump into the video. I will be doing another living room refresh. I just hope this video will give you tips on what to do if you're a first-time home buyer. I know a lot of first-time home buyers been asking me, you know, what should I do? What's my first step? What's the process of a first-time home buyer purchasing a home? And now you're thinking about, okay, when should I go and apply for a loan? Okay, say like for instance, if you are on a 1 year, you put yourself on a 1 year waiting list, and say like you are approaching your anticipated time, which was 1 year, I advise you to probably go. Okay, so this video is going to be a continuation of my first time home buyers series, and also the ones that has not purchased a home between 20 to 40 years. So this is a question that has popped up so many times, asking what is the difference between a pre-qualification letter or a pre-qual, as you can say, versus a pre-approval letter. Now, in today's video, I will be discussing what is the difference between closing costs and down payment. Now, let me explain what is the difference between the home appraisal and the home inspection.